Meet a couple of dedicated airline hostess jugglers. They're in Hal Wallace's Boeing Boeing. Two nimble young Americans in Paris who love the girls who fly right, especially when there's one up, one down, and one pending. But disaster strikes when the flight pattern changes and all the girls touch down at the same time.
By the way, have you seen my flight back?
Your flight back? No, I haven't seen your flight back.
What was that scream?
I stepped on Bertha's toe.
Co-starring Mademoiselle Air France, Fräulein Lufthansa, Miss British United, and the keeper of the boys' Parisian pad.
You don't need a housekeeper around here. You need a UNIVAC machine.